These are really nice LED adjustable light bulbs. Full disclosure, I dropped one from about 4 feet expecting to pull up a bunch of glass, and I guess it's plastic. Nothing happened to it. You have two types of adjustments. You have the intensity. The watts goes from 90 down to 75 down to 65, and you just slide it. You can feel it clicking. And then you have another set of adjustments. These adjustments are the K value. You have 2700K, which is really more yellowish, all the way up to what this bulb here is on right now, which is 6500. 6500, 5000, 4000, 3500, 3000, 2700. Of course, if you want to change it, you have to go get your bulbs and unscrew them and change it. And here you'll see we retrofit this room. This one is on 2700K and on 65 watts. So that's sort of a night light to give just a little bit light in the room, background light, watching TV. And then these are on 65 watt and the middle K value, which is the 3500K value. You can see the difference in the lights up there. We didn't want the two brightest ones. The brightest one, it looks like daylight, and it's nice and bright. It just gives like a shadow from outside. So we've got the light setting right in the middle, which seems to work fine.